Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another Balisong tutorial. And for this tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys another Balisong loop for beginner. So this Balisong loop named Twisted Basic Rollover Loop. So for this tutorial I'm gonna use my CD Balisong right here. So let's get started. And for the move, gonna be like this. Check out the slow-mo. Alright, so before we begin this Balisong loop, it is pretty similar like basic rollover loop. So in basic rollover loop, you're gonna start from thumb rollover, wrist press, and index rollover like that. So on this Balisong, on twisted basic rollover loop, you're gonna start from index rollover. So and start. First thing you do is index rollover, and then you're gonna start with the bite handle, or it's okay, you're gonna start with the bite handle, but after you doing an index rollover like that, so that's gonna give you the sharp side of the blade. So that's when you using a live blade, so you're gonna try to avoid that by doing a twist like that. So for this tutorial I'm gonna teach you guys to doing from the bite handle, because after you doing index rollover like that, so that's gonna give you the safe handle. So that's gonna give you the dual side of the blade, so it won't cut yourself. So it is a little bit easier to practice that you're gonna start from the bite handle. So after you doing a after you doing index rollover on this position like this, instead you close your Balisong like that. You just get into this position that you're gonna pinch your stave handle with index rollover. Your index finger and your thumb like this, and then after this position, after you get into this position, just do a twist like that. And after you do a twist, just continue with thumb rollover like that. So you're gonna be careful after you're doing thumb rollover, because that's gonna give you the sharp side of the blade, that's gonna give you the bite handle. So to avoid that, just do a wrist pass like this. So try to avoid that by doing a wrist pass, and just continue the wrist pass with index rollover. So that's one complete loop that you're gonna start all over again from the beginning like that. Wrist pass, and prepare to put your index finger like this, and then do index rollover like that. So that's one complete loop that you're gonna get into this position again, do a twist again, do thumb rollover again, do wrist pass, continue with index rollover like that. So alright, and from the beginning And the first thing you do, do index rollover. Get into this position like this. You're gonna pinch your safe handle with your index finger and thumb rollover. I'm sorry, your thumb. And after this position, just do a twist. After you do a twist, just continue with thumb rollover like that. That's gonna give you the bite handle. So to avoid that, just do a reverse pass, so you won't cut yourself with that. And continue the wrist pass swing like this. Just continue, prepare your index finger to do an index rollover like that. Alright, so from the beginning, the move gonna be like this. Oh, sorry. Yep, that pretty much for today's tutorial, guys, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.